I bought my first airsoft gun. This gun has semi-auto, full auto, a high capacity mag with 250 as its limit, 6mm airsoft BBs, a hop-up, a length of 31.25 inches, a weight of 4 pounds, and a velocity of 330 FPS. This gun comes with a handle, a cleaner, a battery, and a mag. This gun is an Elite Force M4 CQB AEG, and it is one of the best guns I've used so far. I also bought this flashlight, BBs, a mask, and that's it. I'm pretty new to airsoft, so if you have any tips, please comment down below, and I hope to see you later.